Receiving money on Airtel is a straightforward process that allows you to access funds quickly and easily. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Download the Airtel app. Make sure you have the Airtel app installed on your smartphone. You can find it in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Step 2. Link your bank account. In the app, navigate to the Settings or Payments section to link your bank account. You will need to provide your bank details and verify your identity as required by the app. Step 3. Share your Airtel Money number. To receive money, share your Airtel Money number with the sender. This number is usually linked to your account and is necessary for the transaction to be processed. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Once the sender initiates the transfer, you will receive a notification. Open the app to confirm that the money has been credited to your account. Make sure to check the transaction details for accuracy. Step 5. Withdraw or use your funds. After receiving the money, you can either withdraw it to your linked bank account or use it for payments and purchases directly through the Airtel app. By following these steps, you can easily receive money on Airtel without any hassle. Enjoy the convenience of quick transactions.